9 Impressive health benefits of beets. 1 Many nutrients in few calories. Beets boast an impressive nutritional profile. They are low in calories, yet high in valuable vitamins and minerals. In fact, they contain a bit of almost all the vitamins and minerals that you need. Calories: 44 protein, 1.7 grams fat, 0.2 grams fiber, 2 grams vitamin C, 6% of the RDI folate, 20% of the RDI vitamin B6, 3% of the RDI magnesium, 6% of the RDI potassium, 9% of the RDI phosphorus, 4% of the RDI manganese, 16% of the RDI iron, 4% of the RDI. Beets also contain inorganic nitrates and pigments, both of which are plant compounds that have a number of health benefits. 2 Help keep blood pressure in check. Heart disease, including heart attacks, heart failure and stroke, is one of the leading causes of death worldwide. And high blood pressure is one of the leading risk factors for the development of these conditions. Studies have shown that beets can significantly lower blood pressure by up to 4 to 10 millimeters of mercury over a period of only a few hours. The effect appears to be greater for systolic blood pressure, or pressure when your heart contracts, rather than diastolic blood pressure, or pressure when your heart is relaxed. The effect may also be stronger for raw beets than cooked beets. Blood nitrate levels remain elevated for about 6 hours after eating dietary nitrate. Therefore, beets only have a temporary effect on blood pressure, and regular consumption is required to experience long-term reductions in blood pressure. 3 Can improve athletic performance. Several studies suggest that dietary nitrates may enhance athletic performance. For this reason, beets are often used by athletes. Nitrates appear to affect physical performance by improving the efficiency of mitochondria, which are responsible for producing energy in your cells. In 2 studies including 7 and 8 men, consuming 17 ounces 500 milliliters of beet juice daily for 6 days extended time to exhaustion during high-intensity exercise by 15 to 25%, which is a 1 to 2% improvement in overall performance. Eating beets may also improve cycling and athletic performance and increase oxygen use by up to 20%. Drinking beetroot juice improved performance by 2.8% over the 2.5-mile 4 km time trial and 2.7% over the 10-mile 16.1 km trial. It's important to note that blood nitrate levels peak within 2 to 3 hours. Therefore, to maximize their potential, it's best to consume beets 2 to 3 hours before training or competing. The 4th of May help fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with a number of diseases, such as obesity, heart disease, liver disease and cancer. Beets contain pigments called betalains, which may potentially possess a number of anti-inflammatory properties. However, most of the research in this area has been conducted in rats. Beetroot juice and beetroot extract have been shown to reduce kidney inflammation in rats injected with toxic chemicals known to induce serious injury. One study in humans with osteoarthritis showed that betalain capsules made with beetroot extract reduced pain and discomfort associated with the condition. While these studies suggest that beets have an anti-inflammatory effect, human studies are needed to determine whether beets could be used to reduce inflammation. The 5th of May improved digestive health. Dietary fiber is an important component of a healthy diet. It has been linked to many health benefits, including improved digestion. 1 cup of beetroot contains 3.4 grams of fiber, making beets a good fiber source. Fiber bypasses digestion and heads down to the colon, where it either feeds the friendly gut bacteria or adds bulk to stool. This can promote digestive health, keep you regular and prevent digestive conditions like constipation, inflammatory bowel disease and diverticulitis. Moreover, fiber has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases including colon cancer, heart disease and type 2 diabetes. The 6th of May helps support brain health. Mental and cognitive function naturally decline with age. For some, this decline is significant and may result in conditions like dementia. A reduction in blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain may contribute to this decline. Interestingly, the nitrates in beets may improve mental and cognitive function by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and thus increasing blood flow to the brain. Beets have been shown to particularly improve blood flow to the frontal lobe of the brain, an area associated with higher-level thinking, such as decision-making and working memory. Furthermore, one study in type 2 diabetics looked at the effect of beets on simple reaction time, which is a measure of cognitive function. Simple reaction time during a computer-based cognitive function test was 4% faster in those who consumed 8.5 ounces (250 milliliters) of beetroot juice daily for 2 weeks, compared to the placebo. However, whether beets could be used in a clinical setting to improve brain function and reduce the risk of dementia remains to be seen. The 7th of May have some anti-cancer properties. Cancer is a serious and potentially fatal disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth of cells. The antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory nature of beets have led to an interest in its ability to prevent cancer. However, the current evidence is fairly limited. Beetroot extract has been shown to reduce the division and growth of tumor cells in animals. One test tube study using human cells found that beetroot extract, which is high in betalain pigments, reduced the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells. It is important to note that these studies were performed in isolated human cells and rats. Further research is necessary to determine whether similar effects would be found in living, breathing humans. The 8th of May help you lose weight. Beets have several nutritional properties that should make them good for weight loss. First, beets are low in calories and high in water. Increasing your intake of low-calorie foods like fruits and vegetables has been associated with weight loss. Furthermore, despite their low-calorie content, beets contain moderate amounts of protein and fiber. These are both important nutrients for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber in beets may also help promote weight loss by reducing appetite and promoting feelings of fullness, thereby reducing overall calorie intake. 9. Delicious and easy to include in your diet. This last one is not a health benefit, yet it is still important. Not only are beets nutritious, but they are also incredibly delicious and easy to incorporate into your diet. Beets can be juiced, roasted, steamed or pickled. Also, they can be bought pre-cooked and canned for convenience. Choose beets that are heavy for their size with fresh, unwilted green leafy tops still attached. Dietary nitrates are water-soluble, so it is best to avoid boiling beets to maximize their nitrate content. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.